The owner of a Chinese restaurant taught me his signature dish. In a bowl, mix 2 egg yolks with 2 cups of cooked rice. This step gives the rice a unique texture and delicious flavor. After mixing well, set the rice aside while we prepare the rest. Now, heat some olive oil in a pan and add 400 grams of shrimp. Let the shrimp fry until they begin to brown, then add 3 garlic cloves. Season with salt and chili pepper to taste, stirring so the spices coat the shrimp completely. When the shrimp are golden and fragrant, add a touch of paprika, which enhances the flavor and adds a special touch to the recipe. Let me know if you've ever had a delicious recipe like this. I'm sure you'll love it when you make it at home. Now let's remove the shrimp and set them aside. In another pan, add a bit of olive oil and 3 egg whites. Fry the egg whites, stirring until lightly golden. Whenever I make this recipe at home, everyone asks me to make more. Soon after, add the rice you set aside. Let the rice fry with the egg whites for about 4 minutes, stirring constantly to ensure everything is well mixed. With the rice fried, it's time to add the ingredients that will make all the difference. A cup of corn, a seedless chopped cucumber, a pre-cooked and chopped carrot, and a chopped red onion. Stir well to mix all the flavors and let it fry for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure everything is evenly cooked. Now it's time to bring the shrimp back into the pan. Add them to the rice and stir again to incorporate. The dish is almost ready, but the final touch is missing: chopped parsley and chives. They not only add freshness, but also complete the explosion of flavors. And it's done! This shrimp rice is perfect for any occasion. It's one of those recipes that impresses without requiring much skill or time in the kitchen. This recipe is special, both for its taste and its ease of preparation. Try it, and I'm sure you'll fall in love too. If you liked it, share it with friends and family. Don't forget to like, comment, and tell me how your dish turned out. Let's spread this deliciousness to more people. See you in the next tip. Goodbye.